Hello and assalamu alaikum guys. So this is going to be a special video for all of our viewers and the audience because this is going to be the last video for us. From tomorrow 13 January, Malaysian government has already announced the MCO. So after this, until further notice, we cannot go out of our buildings, we cannot move around. We have to get the groceries, we have to get everything for next 14 days at least, because initially it is supposed to be until 26th of January, but we never know because last time they also put it for 14 days first and then they extended it, and this time also it is pretty sure that they are going to extend the MCO after 26th of January. So we just thought that we are going out to get the groceries, and there's one 2021 planner Aisha needs to buy. And I want to tell you one more thing, guys. Aisha couldn't find the 2021 planner in whole Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya, Cyberjaya, and she is specially going to near KLIA. Trust me, it's almost 1.5 hour drive from Kuala Lumpur to the factory outlet that she's going, and she's going to just buy that 2021 planner
if they have it there.
so, and she's not even sure that if they have it or not. So I just now told her that the world is crazy. They just think that Einstein is the biggest mind in this world. I'm sure they didn't check us first, but this is the greatest mind I have ever
So
seen.
bad for what?
Yeah, this is bad, but this is how it is actually. So yeah, this is just a short video, so we just wanted to show you. As you can see, there are so many people here, so many car parks here, because people are just going to do the crazy buying again. It's just like the last time when the first MCO was placed and there was nothing found in those grocery stores and everything. So I think this is going to be the same. All right, so we have parked a car now, and now we are going to that factory outlet. What is the name of this? MOP?
Mitsui.
Oh, okay. So the name of this is, yeah, Mitsui Outlet Park something. I don't know, guys. You can read it yourself. So here we are going to get the 2021 planner for Aisha. I hope whatever she planned for 2021, she's going to get fair, because the start of 2021 is not really good, because we are already going to get into one MCO in the very beginning of 2021. So I just hope that we're going to get something good here. Is this a factory outlet for almost everything?
Yeah, I can say that. Well, sadly, the shop I want to go is closed. That is too bad.
Great minds. Great. No wonder, guys. So you can see the malls are empty. People are already closing up. The shops are almost getting closed. So let's see if we're gonna buy anything, if we're gonna get anything, because just now the store we got in, that color rhino, it has good shoes, good bag. Hello.
Want to check out? Let's go. Wait.
Oh, I look good. What's that new thing?
It's a drink.
Goncha.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
You never tried it before, right?
No, I never did.
Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, so here we are going to try something new. Aisha said that this goncha is really good. I don't know what it is, but let's try. Hello.
Me? Maggie? Roselle tea.
She said that this goncha is very good. So let's see.
I don't know. Plum.
That's
and
what you said,
also
okay? Now you can, and that is
lemon.
also recorded even.
It's not that I say it's good,
You said
because you never try
that.
it.
Okay.
Is it good?
The jellies are good inside this actually.
The coconut jelly
But it's good. It's a bit sour.
is plum, for God's sake.
Yeah.
How about the lemon?
Okay.
You have to
So this
stir
one
it
was
first.
plum tea, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so this one is going to be lemon. Okay.
Just mix it first.
Mine is better. It's way much better actually. Seriously. In this building or in this mall, every we can see these are Dockers, Brooks Brothers, Polo, Boss. All of these are the factory outlet stores. Or they are the genuine stores.
The factory outlet one.
Let's see.
Some of the branded.
Yes, here we are getting into the watch store. Let's see what we're gonna get here. We are not going to buy anything. I'm just going to show you around. All of these watches are $399 and $199. But these are all $199.
This is good.
Yep. This one is good. See? This one? As I already told you that this is not going to be a vlog. This is not going to be a proper video. This is just a special video for you guys. So just to let you know that this is how Malaysia look like before the MCO is going to be
Before,
closed.
few hours before.
Yeah, only few hours. I think
Yeah.
only 4 hours, right? Yeah, just 4 more hours and then everything is closed. You can see these red color of decorations. These are the decoration balls that you can see here. These are actually because of the Chinese New Year. Next month, on 12th of February, there is a Chinese New Year. So on Chinese New Year, Malaysia has really got there are so many Chinese in Malaysia. Almost, I guess, 25 to 30% of the population are the Chinese. So they celebrate their Chinese New Year so well, and it's always like so much decorated. You get the ang pao. Ang pao is actually a red packet where you get money inside that packet. So last year I got so much. I don't know if this year I'm gonna make it or not, because the company I'm working in, they are mostly Chinese. So they will give you those ang pao, which like maybe 20 ringgits, 10 ringgits inside that each ang pao. Let's hope for the best. If we get to go to office by the mid of February, which seems not possible because it's already the MCO and this is surely going to be extended. But let's hope for the best. If we're gonna get it, then I will show you around that how Chinese celebrates their New Year. But so far, I guess this is the end. We are going out again. We have showed you around, but of course we didn't buy anything.
Hey, we bought something.
Because we were here for something else that we couldn't buy, that we couldn't get actually. The shop was already closed. So this is the ending for this video. I hope we'll see you guys soon with some other topic, because as I already told you that this vlog thing is going to be end for until the further notice, until the Malaysian government is going to take off the MCO. So until that, we cannot go out. This was the last evening that we came out, and after this, no more. Maybe after 26th of January, if the MCO is not extended, then we're gonna go out and show you around more of Malaysia. But until then, no
stay
more vlogs.
safe.
Stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.